Hey everyone, good morning. This is Nandini Manohar. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am quite busy. Being a mother is not a small thing, it's a very tough job. So, because of Corona, I am not sending my children through any public transport. So, today my son is in 11th, he's having labs. So, I should drop him to his school. And after that, should come home. I should do other things, and even my daughter, she's having college today, so I should drop her also. So now it is 7:30. I didn't prepare anything, no tiffin, because he said that after coming back I will have. Because last time I prepared and I packed, but he didn't have because he didn't have time. So he told he need a biscuit, so I packed it. Now I'm going to drop him and come back and prepare breakfast, and then I should drop my daughter. So I'm back home now. It's around 8:30. Now I'm feeling hungry. Plus I didn't have morning tea. Now I should go. I should prepare tea for myself. Then I should start my work. So I came to kitchen to prepare tea for myself, and without tea I cannot start my day. I didn't have time in the morning, so I didn't have tea, but what to do, sometimes it happens, otherwise you will be late. Now this is my time. I will relax for a while having tea. Then I will start my work. So my tea is ready. I like to relax myself while having tea, because while having tea I will think about myself, what can be done best for today. And after that, after finishing this tea, I'll become so busy that I cannot think about myself. I'll be thinking what to prepare for lunch, what to prepare for breakfast, then what work can be done first, that this and other stuffs. So life will become so busy that till 10 o'clock I won't think about myself at all. I'm preparing akki roti. For this, we need onions finely chopped. First, you take the rice flour and finely chopped onion. Then green chilies according to your taste. Then coriander leaf finely chopped. If you want to add any other ingredients like vegetables like carrot, you can grate the carrot and you can have, or radish, white radish, you can grate it and have. You can add it to this, and we have to mix it with hot water. So for that I'll add some salt for taste. Then now we have to add hot water, because this should be mixed with hot water. Now it is ready to prepare roti. The dough should be like this. Now I am patting akki roti. With water we have to pat it like this. I patted like this. Now we have to grease the pan with oil. Then put it like this. So we have to add little oil on this. So this is how akki roti looks after frying it on the pan. It looks yummy, no? So akki roti is done. It looks like this. So it's 12 o'clock. I'm going to drop my daughter to her college. From there, I think I'll be going directly to my son's school because 1:30 I should pick him up. So by coming home and going, it will be late. So directly I'll go there, and after that I should come and cook food like for lunch. Welcome, my daughter. What did you tell? What did you tell before leaving car?
I told I'll come in 1 hour.
1 hour?
But then
You know what's the time now?
it's final review.
What final review?
I have to do
waiting. 3 hours, yaar.
That's why I say I got you, but
I didn't have my food also.
That's why I gave you my lunch. Where is
What?
that? Eat.
No.
Eat. Why you didn't eat?
She bought this. We are near this warm momos. So we thought we'll have momos and go back to home. Because now it is 5:30 and having lunch, it is not so good. Because again we have to have
want to
dinner. Because of her, I skipped lunch. I didn't prepare also. Now I should go.
I
and
gave you
see.
my lunch. No, you didn't eat. You're also like me only. What can I do?
I don't want to eat there, yaar. I didn't wash my hands. Oh my god. This is Corona time, okay? I don't want to get my life into risk.
Heat boy.
What eat boy? Yeah, we'll get it. Okay, we are going to warm momos and we'll have some momos and then we'll get back to our home.
Mindset and ikigai.
We came back home and really I'm exhausted. I thought I should prepare dinner now. But after coming home, my mom said, my aunts, they're coming home. So we'll be having a small family get together. So dinner will be cooked down. We'll be having dinner there and we'll have nice and great fun with our family. This was my small vlog. If you like this vlog, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this. Bye bye.